Now that our subfloor is properly prepared, we're ready to begin the installation of our Merit Decor luxury vinyl flooring. This will be a dry back or a glue down application. For every installation requiring the use of adhesive in our line, we recommend the use of Taylor 2091. Now for this application, we're going to be using the 2091 as a transitional pressure sensitive adhesive. This means that we'll apply it and then allow it to flash or cure for a short period of time until we can touch it and no adhesive will come up on our hands. That will allow us to work with all of the pieces that we put down, make sure that the fit and finish is proper, and then over the course of the next few weeks, it will transition into a permanent bond, a very strong, very durable permanent bond. The tools required for an installation of this product are very few and very simple. You'll need a strong utility knife, a square, and a 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 square notch trowel. A bullet cutter or a guillotine cutter is not needed, but it is a nice addition to have in your store. It can provide an extra revenue stream as a rental for all of the do-it-yourselfers and weekend warriors that you would sell the flooring to. Now that we've got everything we need, let's get the floor swept and get started. After sweeping the floor thoroughly with a fine bristle broom to ensure that it is free of dust and debris, we're ready to begin the glue-down installation of our Merit Decor luxury vinyl plank. When the floor is clean, Taylor 2091 is applied using a 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 square notch trowel. Maintaining firm pressure on the trowel will allow it to distribute the proper amount of adhesive. If your installation will cover only a portion of a room, snapping a chalk line and using it as a guide will ensure a thorough adhesive application. Use enough product to cover the floor thoroughly without leaving any excess. Make sure to spread the adhesive to the very outside edges of the room. Doing so will create a strong bond between the floor and the subfloor below. Remove excess adhesive before allowing the product to flash. Doing this will reduce the time needed to cure and produce a more level floor. As the adhesive flashes, it will change from a cream color to a translucent amber. So we've applied our Taylor 2091 with a 16th by 16th by 16th square trowel, and we've let it flash. And flashing simply means that we've allowed the adhesive to cure to the point where I can touch it with my hands and none of the adhesive will come up. It's very tacky, but we're now ready to start installing the plank. When laying the first row, work to keep it as straight as possible, as an uneven row will leave gaps between the planks. When used as a transitional pressure-sensitive adhesive, Taylor 2091 will allow you to reposition the planks as necessary. Lay your first row across the entire width of the room before beginning your second row. When laying subsequent rows, stagger the seams by 6 to 8 inches. Try to keep the seams as tight as possible and visually inspect each piece after placing it to ensure that it is square with the other pieces around it. Remove any adhesive left on the face of the planks with an appropriate cleaner as you install the flooring. Using a guillotine cutter like this one from Bullet Tools makes the cutting process simpler and ensures a square cut every time. The product can be easily cut with any high-quality utility knife. After measuring for needed length, score the face of the product and simply snap the product in two. Continue to lay the product across the room, working to ensure a tight fit between each plank. Rip cuts can also be made along the length of the product using a utility knife. Take care not to pull the knife towards you as you cut. After scoring, fold the product along the face. Now trim the product, pulling the knife away from you as you cut. After the installation is complete, immediately roll the floor with a 100-pound 3-section roller. Roll in all 4 directions to ensure a strong bond between the flooring and the adhesive below. There you have it, a completed installation of the legacy product from the Merit Decor luxury vinyl flooring line. Now this was a dry back product, so we used Taylor 2091 as an adhesive to install. Over the course of the next few weeks, this adhesive will turn into a very strong permanent bond. You'll notice that when we were done with the application, we rolled it with a 100-pound 3-section roller. Having one on hand available as a rental for your customers is a great way to provide added service and also some extra revenue whenever you sell a glue-down flooring job. Should you want to have one in your shop, please contact your Lancaster rep and we'll help you get one. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you feel more comfortable selling and recommending this product.